I can't see this part. All right. Colleen, did you hear anything there?
No, did you put in the Zoom as 360, not into the poly, into the Zoom.
Oh, I don't have the Zoom, it's just on the poly.
Okay, how did you just speak with council a minute? How did he speak with council a minute ago?
The counselor got in
On the poly.
to the poly, yeah.
Council, is there a way for you to call in to them and then join together?
Let me see.
Because I can't call out.
Right, because you don't have. Let me try to see, Your Honor.
Well, if you got a Zoom, this is through Zoom. We're doing everything through Zoom. So my poly is on my Zoom. And so you don't have Zoom set up over there?
Not on the Polycom here. I don't.
Nobody's ever, you guys don't have Zoom capability to hear the cases?
We possibly do, but I haven't seen it here in our telenet. So that's less than helpful, I know, but that's
Right.
what I know.
We'll do our best to figure out a way how we can.
Let me see, hold on one second.
Yeah, we can.
Because officer, if I call you on my poly, then it closes down my Zoom room and then we're not compliant with being public.
Mr. Reagan's back on? Is that Mr. Reagan? Okay, Mr. Reagan's back on again. I don't know how I can show, I'm trying to see how to join it. They call here. Could you zoom to Mr. Reagan's office?
Well, I can get Mr. Reagan's office on Zoom. Yes, that's not a problem.
Yeah, they can do that. So.
Could you have him call in on a telephone? If we gave you a telephone number, could you?
He is, Mr. Reagan, are you trying to call them right now, or? He's trying to zoom into you now.
Yeah, I see Mr. Reagan.
And do it and switch it. And we can do it like this. I don't know.
Yes. Can you hear me okay? Mr. Smith, can you hear me okay, sir?
Okay, so I can hang that call. Okay.
Yeah, I can.
Yes.
Patch it together.
Okay.
I can hang up the honor.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Smith. Could you state your full name, please?
My name's Chaz Nicholas Smith.
Thank you, and good morning, sir. Mr. Smith, and thank you, Brother Counsel, as always. Mr. Smith, you're here for 1906-1514, People's State of Michigan versus Chaz Nicholas Smith, Counsel.
Your Honor, good morning, man. Please, the court, Philip Reagan, P57156, on behalf of Mr. Chaz Smith, We waive the formal reading, stand mute. Mr. Smith has been advised of his constitutional rights, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court will waive formal reading under plea of not guilty and schedule 2 court dates. Mr. Smith, you must attend probable cause conference December the 29th, which is a Tuesday. Sir, you have a right to a preliminary examination January 6th, 2021, which is Wednesday. Both of those will be heard 8:30 a.m. 36th District Court in front of Judge King. Both of those hearings, Mr. Smith, will take place via Zoom. That's a similar off-site streaming technology. It's your responsibility if you make bond to attend those virtual Zoom hearings on time. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Not guilty, please enter as to bond, brother counsel.
Judge Esteban, I spoke with Mr. Smith in depth this morning. Judge, he's 28 years of age, lifetime resident of Michigan, judge born and raised in Lansing, Michigan. Judge, he was actually due to be paroled. This matter goes back to 2018. And Mr. Smith has been actually incarcerated since then, Judge, and since May of 2015. But he's never been out. He was due to get paroled, Judge. This matter came up, non-assaultive in nature. I think it's a very good chance that Mr. Smith will be exonerated based on the fact there's video. There's a lot of other things that it's my understanding are going to go in his favor. I would ask the court for personal bond, Judge. I think that this matter probably should have been dealt with a few years ago, but it hasn't, obviously. So it's not assaultive. I'd ask the court for personal bond in this matter, Your Honor.
Thank you, brother counsel. Mr. Smith, your attorney has advocated well on your behalf, as always. And the court takes into consideration a number of things. The nature of this charge, which is very serious allegation, Mr. Smith, but non-assaultive, as well as the place of the allegation, which appears to be at a confinement. The court considers your prior criminal convictions, and the court's unaware of any capious history or assaultive allegations or convictions. The court's read and considered the information alleged in the investigator's report, as well as your lack of employment status as relates to ability to post bond in the current epidemic facing the nation. Mr. Smith, the court's inclined, sir, to release you on a personal bond. And if the court does so, you have no issues listening to the court in all aspects. Is that correct?
That's correct, sir. I've never been a flight risk.
Okay, so Mr. Smith, during this bond, sir, you're not to use any alcohol, no marijuana, and no illegal controlled substance. You're not to purchase or possess a firearm or any dangerous weapon. Is that all understood?
That goes along with my parole condition, sir. It's
okay,
understood.
so Mr. Smith, thank you. And it's very important you listen to those conditions, as well as making your court dates December 29th and January 6th, 2021, December 29th, 2020. And given that information placed on the record provided by your counsel, the nature of these charges and the current epidemic facing the nation, you're going to be released on a $7,000 personal bond. Mr. Smith, listen to the court, sir, if you're released, so you don't get locked back up simply for not listening. Does that make sense?
100% clear, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Smith. Brother counsel, I appreciate you as always. Anything further, sir?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good luck, everybody.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good luck, Mr. Smith. Good luck, okay?